My name is Joao Castro and I'm a student at GBS. When I started studying at GBS, I was intrigued to find a new product to bring into UK. As I'm a Portuguese, I searched for this cleaning product, the greaser, which I found a gap in the market. I've been doing this business for a year now, and GBS has helped me to incorporate the business, to do the research. All the people as well are willing to help to expand the business. The crew, the members, the staff are very willing to help to develop the business too. So far, I've been having a wonderful experience. GBS has been helping me to get to where I am today. Thank you very much.